As you watch this video, somewhere on our planet, a river is boiling. An ocean is making strange sounds, and entire islands are slowly sinking beneath the waves. The Earth is constantly changing, but today, these changes are happening faster than ever before in human history. In this video, you will learn about 7 real natural phenomena that are happening right now and sound like something out of a science fiction film. Strange and frightening phenomena are currently occurring on our planet. Boiling rivers, moving rocks, glowing oceans, and disappearing islands. These are not science fiction, but reality. In this video, you will learn about 7 unusual natural phenomena that are occurring on Earth today. Subscribe to the channel if you want to understand what is really happening to our planet. A boiling river in the Amazon jungle. In the heart of the jungle, there is a river whose water temperature reaches almost 90 degrees. It is not a volcano or a hot spring. It is a real river, several kilometers long. Scientists call it Shinite Impishka, which means river that boils from the sun. It is located in the Amazon basin. The water is so hot that it is impossible to even dip your hand into it. Animals that accidentally fall into the river die in a matter of seconds. The strangest thing is that there are no volcanoes nearby that could explain such heating. According to one version, heat rises from the depths of the Earth's crust through cracks, but there is still no definitive answer. This river exists right now, and she reminds us that the Earth holds secrets that we have not yet revealed. Shinite Impishka is a unique boiling river in the Amazon jungle, Peru, about 6 to 9 kilometers long, with water temperatures ranging from 45 C to almost 100 C. Locals call it heated by the heat of the sun, although scientists have proven that it is geothermally heated through faults in the Earth's crust. Far from volcanoes, the boiling river is located in the Miantuyacu Forest Huánuco region, Peru. The river's temperature averages around 86 degrees Celsius, reaching up to 100 degrees Celsius in some areas, which is deadly for animals. This is due to geothermal activity, where rainwater seeps deep into the earth, heats up from the magma, and escapes through cracks. The river was discovered by geophysicist Andres Rozo in 2011. The meaning of the river is a sacred place for the Ashaninka tribe. The water in the river boils, soars, and in some places you can cook food in it. Due to the high temperature, there are practically no fish in the river. Currently, the area is suffering from deforestation, so measures are being taken to protect it. The river is located in the Miantuyacu Forest, which is part of the high-altitude forests in Huánuco. The Ashaninka tribe considers this river to be a sacred object. According to their beliefs, this river is heated by a giant spirit, Amazon. The Earth makes sounds. Sometimes the planet literally starts talking. Residents of different countries report a strange hum, a low sound, like the work of a giant engine. These sounds were heard in Canada, Europe, Australia, and even in small towns far from industrial zones. Scientists attribute this phenomenon to the movement of tectonic plates, the resonance of the Earth's crust, and fluctuations in the atmosphere. But there are other sources. For example, the ocean. Under the water column, powerful sounds are regularly recorded, the origin of which is not always possible to determine. Glaciers also sound when huge masses of ice crack and move. They produce long-lasting moans that are recorded by scientific instruments. The Earth is alive, and sometimes we can hear its breath, a seismic hum. The Earth's crust is never completely at rest. There is a phenomenon known as background seismic noise, which is a continuous low-frequency vibration. The reason it is primarily caused by the interaction of ocean waves with the seafloor, underground rumbling before earthquakes, or during the movement of tectonic plates. This rumbling intensifies. Anomalous phenomena. Earth's groan. Since 2011, people in various parts of the world have been recording strange sounds known as Earth's roar. or Earth's groan. How it sounds. Witnesses describe it as a low-frequency rumbling. Scientists' theories. One possible explanation is the occurrence of acoustic gravitational waves triggered by solar flares. Reports of anomalous sounds continue to come from various parts of the world. In the latest recorded case is 202-42025, Canada, on February 4th, 2025. Reports were received from Peterborough and Ontario, Alaska, on January 25th, 2025. Colorado, a message about a heavenly earthquake in mid-2023. In recent years, messages have been received from Finland, Spain, Australia, and South America. Scientists claim that such sounds are not related to seismic activity, which makes them even more mysterious. Among the main hypotheses, atmospheric phenomena, explosions of meteors above the cloud layer, or the amplification of the sound of large ocean waves crashing into the atmosphere, geophysical processes, powerful energy, emissions from the Earth's core that can generate acoustic gravitational waves in the atmosphere, technogenic causes. In some cases, mysterious phenomena have a simple explanation. For example, in February 2026, in Lincolnshire, a blue glow and strange noises in the sky turned out to be the result of the work of a special measuring train network. The underwater songs of the ocean are complex acoustic signals produced by marine life. They include low-frequency moans, clicks, and howls, which are used for communication, echolocation, and navigation. These sounds often resemble melodic compositions that can be heard over vast distances. Humpback whales, they are known for their long, repetitive songs, which can last up to 20 minutes and vary throughout the season. Disappearing islands. Some islands have already disappeared. They were mapped, people lived on them, houses were built, but the world's oceans are rising and water is slowly absorbing land. Small island nations are the first to suffer. People have to leave their homes not because of war or crises, but because their land is literally sinking underwater. These are not predictions for the future. This is happening right now. Disappearing islands are territories that disappear due to rising sea levels, erosion, permafrost melting in the Arctic, or volcanic activity. Examples include Mysiatsov Island in the Arctic, islands in Micronesia, Kepidau, Paling, and the Solomon Islands. The process is exacerbated by climate change and human activities, leading to the loss of land, particularly in the Pacific Ocean. The main causes of island disappearance are climate change and rising sea levels. Rapid water rise erodes coastlines and floods low-lying islands. Melting glaciers. Arctic islands, composed of ice, melt and erode under the influence of the sea, erosion, and anthropogenic factors. The lack of sediment, for example, due to the construction of reservoirs, increases the erosion of river islands. Volcanic activity. Some islands disappear after eruptions. Examples of disappeared or disappearing islands: Mysiatsova Island, Arctic, islands of the Solomon Islands, Pearl Island, Ghost Islands, Pacific Ocean, Dorothy, Nimrod, Swain, and Emerald are islands that have disappeared for various reasons, often due to volcanism. Fire tornadoes. Tornadoes themselves are some of the most destructive natural phenomena, but sometimes they become even more dangerous. A fire tornado occurs when a strong vortex meets a large-scale fire. A column of flames rises into the sky, spinning at high speeds. These phenomena are increasingly being observed in regions with extreme heat and drought. This combination of wind, fire, and temperature turns the elements into a living hell on Earth. Fire tornado hits fire-ravaged California, the 11th of January, 2025. A fire tornado formed in the Santa Monica Mountains near Los Angeles, reported the Daily Mail. California. State authorities warned that the fire situation continues to worsen. A fire tornado is a rare phenomenon in which the wind forms a spinning column of fire. Such a vortex was spotted on Mulholland Drive, which leads to Los Angeles. At least 6 separate large fires have been reported in Los Angeles and its suburbs over the past 24 hours. 11 people have been killed in the fires, and over 10,000 structures, including expensive homes owned by celebrities, have been destroyed. Tokyo, Japan, 1923. After the Kanto earthquake, a fire tornado occurred, killing about 38,000 people in just 15 minutes. Hamburg, Germany, 1943. A massive bombing raid resulted in a fire tornado that reached up to 500 meters in height, killing about 40,000 people. Reading, USA, 2010. During a wildfire car formed a tornado with a wind speed of 230 kilometers per hour, which uprooted trees and destroyed houses. The planet is changing faster than we think. The continents are moving. The faults are expanding. In some places, the Earth is literally cracking open, forming future oceans. What used to take millions of years is happening much faster today. We are living in an era of global change. The real question is not whether the planet will change. The question is whether we will be able to adapt. The Earth is indeed changing rapidly. A record-breaking acceleration of the planet's rotation has been recorded, causing days to become shorter. And June 29, 2022, became one of the shortest days. The change in rhythm caused by processes in the core, atmosphere, and melting glaciers could lead to an increase in storms, earthquakes, and an axial shift. The planet is changing faster than we think. The Earth is indeed changing rapidly. A record-breaking acceleration in the planet's rotation has been recorded, causing days to become shorter. And June 29, 2022, became one of the shortest days. The change in rhythm caused by processes in the core, atmosphere, and melting glaciers could lead to an increase in storms, earthquakes, and an axial shift. The main aspects of the planet's acceleration. Acceleration of rotation. The Earth is rotating faster than usual, and scientists are recording a decrease in the length of a day by milliseconds. Causes: changes in the magnetic field, air mass movements, ocean currents, and mass redistribution due to melting glaciers. Axial shift. Since 1899, the planet's rotational axis has shifted by 10.5 meters, which is attributed to human activities and natural factors. Consequences: acceleration can increase the frequency of storms, affect tectonic plates, and require adjustments to time, such as removing 1 second from atomic time for the first time. The Earth is not just a ball in space. It is a complex living mechanism that is constantly changing, and the more closely we observe these changes, the better our chances of understanding the future. If you are interested in what is really happening to our planet, subscribe to our channel. Here we talk about Earth without fiction, only real facts.